Hello, agus bhaid í hiic na seanslaí mas muine seans bhaú glachiad ar na seanslaí is mis siú go leáda agus tá stofáilte. Má rís an stofáilte nus tá dú hain in dhé an crack agus an ceol agus an cóidir ar fád a bhíogin ag an Jerry seachtaine you know yourself tagan an lún rágas do couple in mujéin san airh ach mars gra tá man seo lemhaid cólachaí lemhaid chuide ar dúspáir man seo le aine go Jimar tú.
Aonta tursa camera agus táúis lei sin agus is méala go an bhirteagah se a crubúm táfint ar an lá go dagam marráis ó éile cheol ó Scoil Cheoil so ionta haggard réile tiite be mo choú a you know what Jenny iirecht fáil tríd seo so tásúla go se buíoch go men seo.
A goni buach. Listen, you gotta keep grinding. Can't read lad been a goni grind out. I'm on faster le James O'Flaherty. James, Jimmer Tatu.
There was a flying form, I must say. Maybe we should have a nice chill weekend. Sports, absolutely sporting. Yeah, we should iontach ma. We churrud go ma. We said nice chill weekend. Actually, we cinnamon bonham.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hugh. Yeah, just Kellen Cart was that like one of those big ass ones?
Oh yeah,
Evan threw away proper bougie coffee outside. Yeah, we were like, yeah, a big Kellen go chinam. I guess yeah, they were really iste le seal bala clear. I think in it the inner dub rising from within. I guess helping come in my brand new or so on Ranela. We got it.
D4 James era truly earn balla.
An sin an sort Earraigh go tí gurí bheith an.
Yeah, because they Earraigh the gap.
Yeah, but I'm an hours on mom around it. I'm go ma.
They would really sass the nation. Listen, was your book with your father's style hella on that mention hope lot and Trurgan you Chahawen and Tamer Fod and you would absolutely love in the pony lumps of James, I think.
Yeah.
So I just family room.
Ní mé orn?
Don OGs éis a budgrill seo tas acu dé mis all tríd de fád a seomar leis an bhirt seo.
Yeah, ní bhach mu dogus a siúmra céna. I hope go bhach an ársam sámór go was na cúpla siúmra bheith. Ní granny flat go bhach hangin. Tí mo go
Studio apartment.
Some of us like being cozy like yellow. What's state of me heart last you know, sometimes the Gary just a bit let the hudge besties and Tamer Fod. You know, better triple bunk bed for everything else. My find which kind of the shanty, you know, one like the Jean really earned or who I guess it's in which obviously and you get tippy top I guess in Shin Mrs. Lair I guess James or a bun and it'd be like a Hugh sandwich which a whole jazz.
I just out and see no stepbrothers.
Oh yeah,
Slavi your part and Ella just sounded James like in one just absolutely crucial.
Yeah.
But like, there's so much room for activities.
Do you like guacamole?
Do we just become best friends?
Yeah, I mean, good job in your, darn noi. Well, we Jerry shouting gríthe agin fad ar dúspáir ag aine bart agus Jimmy this ar dúspáir so that go fé lots of nap then a lock an cogile tan pot because which is david the job already mall and he is a chat rash as féile dochreidte ón comedy and Instagram stories corruptu.
So bhí me hís I Malinair Téirigh.
Oh my dad.
In Earraigh Kerry.
An Bosténig.
Scoil Cheoil an Éirí an fiú blian den éile ach an céadúir dúsa golaigh an éile agus bhí sé aonanta as do gonna bhí a haín an tarachtas lo bhí seo cos le mini arachtas bhí handan ra. Bhí gaeilge I gahandanna bhí aithne gahandan ar chéile ach bhí sé cojas sa dóis gros níos mó spás agus níos éca túúns a ail agus ní ro se go graithe le leir na feilte ceol níos mó bhí tú actually ábalta le búil le daoine's tún deascéir na bheith agad lo ach fós an crack a bheith so bhí sé aonanta ba bhrá leis an mar agah sé.
Jeremy punch all away agus níro gaelic I got hanna sin. Bhí ghail an ghail an bhí
Ghaeilin ó go an is tá got.
Oh my god.
Was a his sorryocht?
Oh sorry.
Sorryocht.
Bolin all an Bosténig. Stop. Listen, Ronar.
What?
Well, yeah, Ronar.
Do Clifford the National Monarch.
Okay, I don't know Colin sin na ggóil
An
initiative.
I
cad
don't know. Me can revert back a Connemara in level crazy. We're like, ah, sure, look.
tag an áhan rud arás go gan mar.
Well cai mar ra fu mu chu mara hí holatar a bhí grippaú ar an deir seachna bhí sellh hí I suppose chunker chun mara le feicáil go láidir an deir seachna seo agus cean an chédíthe chum se seisiún as bhí mu aríicní súsartar beidir lení héin is muid agbraid tu chuna thuirla sí a hiúlnis agus bailhégan hánig just slúa do gcuoine ó chunamara sta as hí siad suirt háartar na lig agus an céadú deile bhí session áráníochta tosíthe agin ach ní na seanóra na bhí a canú ó an beidir níos country I suppose le keeper country but trí gailge a bhí a chanig mu chunamara agus hosí siad a ggóil in áidir ar an tabla a dasa cumáid muir a bhí na déna dasa an chanos ghlach siad deisna ggóil sús ar an tabla a dasa i leir an fob so they let it be known gro siad Terry represent
chonig me bhar scéalte agus dús me my god má go an óránseo chlostal úr eile Tá se go bh chosla chola órán eile gile go na órán níos like specific go na canter like órán na sépalín hí like héla gur se repeat hí sa sin which is it's a fucking tune so bí mis bras á a chlostal ach sin me fisher like masrá like daoine nachas chunamara like sick I bheith géisteach leis because tá aine na mís ó na runnachid nó ó na sépalín gí mu like fucking cum cin am go lá cum cin am go niche Tá go súsa chaasa agus mu go fócin téirlíonna leis ach ní sam bhfuil cholanna tíh mó chumara cinál chu báil sin leis na hórán sin.
Well caiimrá nachró mar an ólas agamsa ar an orange sin ach I don't know what se agad Hugh Hannah bhí an melody kind of rolls gom ach nar hosí si le a chanú as hí na versí le seo acu as chu se rise agus an sin siad sad verse as can she'd verse one really ball really bronach and then was she the really scushtíri she hand the gan chéile ach bhí si de míú dú gur ólam ahandanna go mara na hóran seo ag le campasaurí de dhéagóirí ó Martin ó dúil nar bhí siad níos óige so bhíh siad le go ag campi i go seaige agus a fólam suirt na hóran pop upbeat seo trígaile an sin an dóid don hosá James.
No, just bhí se níach mar sé éich the capisáir an fairness níim se ceolhar so mis mar black sheep on I think
heag na cool camp sin fá bhí sin ví a si
yeah agus by dad a chormis an cool camps yeah as in bhí mar seaas a goal Hugh not the other cool
no definitely not
no I like just was chas an pub dí ach sin fresin like fád wat like únach mútarí sa Scoil agus dí so think be an uach sainge faoi but yeah like ní chasing sé cáneal so so ní rom sé na campise but yeah tá ag bu nach chu na hóran like ní bh sé na versí ar fad but an corfá bh sein flat out.
Well I suppose bhí me a cucart le na daoine ceolra ó Connemara bhí Carad an fod crélé dalní choín len bhí Donal Brain an sin bhí becinní éilethe leor daoine ghfuil aithnahaithe gunarthú ó ónarachtas cleor ceoltarí an gantar so I suppose bhí an lagan ada den orman ar osgu agus camera gur chuúlame an doran sin ar leidhear beidir tríúr haar tréimh sé dhé lá so ní aglar chu é chanú mat den slúa like
agus bhá se am lá se am sa gé lá fásta. Nis teginn tú James cin dóid bhí seo nar bínta siiste chuisiúil á an rannach éis rééis nar bhí asan tú agus deirta sin nachas tú an carneal hasú, but ní chuir sin stopplaat íireachta dhéanú rénos because mas rud gur í mátá nachholta sa canú an caiáin den ní cheamsa gur
absolutely
like caiimá.
Well like brother like má tá mis an órán na carí áling a chaasa go carí le cíns atá áling atá mó well I think go go bin privilege oin a sinna dhéana agus béidir go se asasta, but hopefully go tuige sé go ar fád go chalín Aldinger. So we're only doing it to make the people happy. Sem mé sin déile.
Ar maith is a teanga.
Son na cúise, son na friggin cúise.
Cé nach bhfuil gaelic beidir nach bhfuil gaelic i bhíici ach tuigi si tríd an mothúhan agus an glár bin bríúir tágad.
Agus mura bhfuil sin ná an focail chalín agus áling Hiskins way chéanamh in the day go fólam gaeilge. I think she might not be the one.
Oof. So anything in this, so I know go shot McGilligan chart so it's tá Baileann Fullamar, you know, she cuairtú podgrilty nua le bheith, you know, scary but it's scary you're at the end of the hutch gaelic, you know, scary bunny should trail us couple pods different, you know, there's bunch to trail us like a couple shankin, agus bunch to trail a shot, agus done the Fullamar sin, Jaron Mudging Shaw chocked on the Seansálaithe. Fuck off. Darla James. Mona ticking to Aid Focal Gaelic. Níl sé Kerry start laugh. Shinna rode the dirt shot. Níl se acha.
Don't even bother.
No, like it just do us man more ticket to fucking Colleen, which is like but like the old too.
Can we is Haitian James, you know,
yeah,
just
be
unrecognized.
Who's the refocal Colleen in Merla? Not
It's anime.
Yeah,
No, shouldn't scale down any in pod. Shouldn't scale down any in pod. That's not for air. Jerry though, in fairness, agus goni fáin seo mise is nar a tamise a tíortha a bhfuil teangatha Celta on. It always like fucks in my head nar ecem focal at the iontach castle leis an focal tá ogaine in Gaelic. So like mar hapla bhí mar like an Isle of Man like yeah bhí agus an manx atá banne na bangi agus an you know manx atá Scoil na a Scoil Scoil agus in sin bhí os a bhratan bhug ar an Jerry seachtaine agus darlamsa I think your cartoon Cymru her it's a guy Kieran and Yaron Sheetson don tanim turn Chiraku in Changas acu but in like in Bogota acu le hai like Uglish is Aglish agus like bhí majesty Cashlan Cardiff agus bhí you know bhí like an plaque shot hí muita rudding out agus there's the Black Tower and Tour Du agus bhí me like what the hell like teach class nar ecin tú like nar tá faclaí on a cilda fecin tú an nasc idir either fad.
Is bralam an nasc sin echo is a sort like camaraderie bunch leis.
Yeah.
Tá bud like le chéile.
Yeah.
I gonne náid.
Sure, she's more expecting to like you know like a zebra crossing whatever expecting to like the Falkly like the skull so it's a good set you're like YSCUL because they're like yeah shouldn't like carters yeah
was it like Gaelic na halbanna ódum Duolingo as was that nur bhí like
R.I.P.
nur was that nur like hugach na ceist thingis agus bhí like was that Ruthkin song more hin like ebe could have costed I think Rabanya pretty costly here version agus hugach sangis as you might like would Duolingo have smart track which I cap does he want to catch me out go because I get muchas goilge usas against me agus so what my like to just double checking agus double thinking it's often like and then for my maker like chud some milk because you might like surely níos a garsin go rud Thomas but yeah it's class
and Hersha or like or Vasashala de Hense nar hasi Duolingo a Lordlat Scots Gaelic agus holla tú glór car an pod joy John Lop a contrarashlat mars ishe and ban in genu na focal or Duolingo le high Scots Gaelic
Or wally tú toastery stems.
yeah it's in rude like rude a hard like fair in the galley and they're hot she canslum
Like an earth is him me.
Oh was it an earth I thought it was fair in the galley
Residence bar 3 o'clock imagine
yeah
well like I'd say good take the whole pop of a concept the capping go again and now in fairness
R.I.P. Bedger ní something go fáil Bedger fao nomination to listen pod creú seo Big conclave siúil
Rip.
ripping.
Great movie. Um, ach, like, yeah, na Roshi Khansom, bhí se chug cosú leis a réilge, a sin obviously, like, ní na focail ar fád cos le chéile, and then bhí si Khansom, just, I think gur mo chuigan agus mo strís in a state of confusion, go cheapma gur nead ótam, go méide gur serious damage den tam go mo chud brain cells. So, ní sam here de bhí tálu.
I mean, huglis an bear rud a bheith fear. Huglis.
True.
Just an rud is granar fi sin na cé có like fuair sa dúir tú le hí fa chunne tamil, cos just híal tú like
Oh,
cai
tomorrow.
mé mé héin a winse maithe san like situation seo, so just ní me go Lord leis a man seo, so just like he backed away like it's just dark to where he got ví dúirt side-eyed den ihe.
Níor tú cinse.
Because like near some like it was like the washi cancelum near some kid she raw. You're my not tishkins in the machas. So then you're my get me wounds. So there's my bell sure I got me wounds and I got tad raw. So just fan some freaking massa melach. She made me scary in there.
Ó múnse.
Mar a dúirt Ronan Keating. You say it best.
Say nothing at all. Shouldn't have gzida chuita mo mission more than it. So
Well look, sílam gohfuil nucht allhar allhar agan le Lordfu seo agus just mar intro caihí mérá agus mé cinse go 19 James lom le seo na gomuid Harbh broú meallar an scéal ionta a formmuid an tatan seo ó baby so gonne le fásta sús Hugh ar Bhaile in sin den hééis.
does air mission. What? Mission brodu as Hugh.
Don't lie ví tú cuiinú.
No, I thought it. Maybe we should fucking hold a step away. Like a bloody fashion. If I'm fucking delighted, we should go to smooth text Hugh. Get a follow mark. Kechi wish I didn't take it. As I think our mission is email for you, Chorrod. Now we session. As you might literally hold update. We have flat out a message on raw. Just fucking album that all Hugh. So.
Donna Dini nachhfuil ar close friends Instagram Hugh.
Yeah.
Hugh ar Bhaile a bhíú détainné tarlú I the heel.
Yep, Talanu Ogum. I didn't know, but the question be James every step of the way, Lum and Tamerfall.
Michigan's Hugh and the donors, August, just all the shot, I guess. The swimmers needs lodge like Hugh, that be so. No, Hugh. Thomas got a serious job.
Okay,
Thomas
sorry,
bro
serious.
dude asset. So
Never
inish air to duchas nuchte, August. Cechi mé daoine I ggéisiocht dat bhád níos minicí ná mín siad faoi láthir.
So fin am a clusin siv in pod show. So ma srodi go éis an pod cad with margin bishops kin le cadting a bhfuil so go seo agus ma srodi go tú géisiart leis an pod clú seo idir na uintí dá trílog go séhlog sa tróna bi me se ar an air ar 2FM ag an am cearna ag genú co-hostal le Darren Garhi ar chláir nu a seci drive time with Darren. Ní credim go fáil, as in like tá go fáil sais, because Glocksha murdered James like Glocksha like ho ada, you know, like Hossie Michigan James Safrasha Shaw again I'm Kieran. Obviously the mission is fair, but the but
So I pay him the big bucks.
yeah, exactly. So the so Hossie was permanent refast Harter an Kieran agus vi sin miúil agus in sin just vi like aglav vi you know Darry Pléann like vi Darry an méid de earthy agus ní rosong sa rio an ro seo cholah jedví na céin 6 rud a vi ma cholah yanu you know like vi like Darry seo couple like vi couple smuitiú timple agus in sin you know Darry inchní ri agus harosogum sa goji you know like you know ge seo ar an loin then you know like cook han basically good for Shaw even few more rawe gro Shaw more chance le ogum agus yeah to just crack out it really like gefoil tamar nos you know ni shot fear and make him gefoil I cap him there flying ma badge bug agus a tema nar te gom like anim an runúni ar cool an tabla agus nar tá gan sta ha an lón a han margin sa canteen agus like I'd say go glocky shop better like seachtaine do the ve like oh wait like Sean ma seal an it agus tá like é mar fart really art allúir so tá yeah just crackáilte agus a ríis agus you did out me for having a close friend story agus this definitely a couple of shots of the thing you'd be like if I'm not road me or close friends but sure look it's coming too bad bitches agus but like bhí se like ghlách se fada le agus like ní rosogam sa like agus bhí a landíní imníach fum cin much courage go British and independent agus bhí imníar go mé ar scale is criú frí like more like mental breakdown go bit like mother where man fast go like like ní roscom bhí má gobar leis rih agus bhí se hójazz agus so múnse agus just measam cé chuir a hála like bhí se just so yeah no tá hóhóáasta agus is anar mór é gantáir like dinge nachró an station rih agus go an tuairceil an trustin anm le fémar páirt dá an launch nua seo tá acu tá just crackáilte like
I
absolutely
kept go to actually going on to scale níos slúho na mar tá se mé all like just rewind go dtíon tús ar fad
yeah
it's just expression of interest in seo se nach chu a hosta churad chun na cé a daoine seacha seo
na míl actually
Allúir like
okay and this to my sé in the book
yeah
na mílse daoine seacha seo pucú rins le go an pucú eile Tis a neachrís na stáid ar fad agus to my knowledge is this an tain duine tháinig amachchas a choras so like
so tá
is seans le a tíh bhí mu an a réchuí so like béid go duine cinn an or whatever but like you're one in a few thousand
Thousands,
like
yeah.
I gúmpas a cholanile bhí stihead agus sin tú hééis golóló daoine bhil amach béis go duine na bh eile ach ní réontain acu an chlár is smú atá go bheith 2FM le ringe seachtain so I think that's a big ball of boss chin go
well said
Hugh
Mr. Mission go big clean you
well sin an rud hosí mis cuioine
or Hossie that doesn't surprise me or it
Bhí
does.
an teachtain dearna ifi
Yeah.
bhí tú súla léach agus níró se chat agus ahan lá chuirtú like scale náde and I was like oh no like bhí mis fósas méid no he's got it ní thuach siad go fáda seo é gan é thuirt dó tá sé tiltte aige task an gháise seo ach just bhí gur picture náde ahan lá and I was like oh no tá sé sin na caiint dóchas is
Yeah. Oh, bhí dolas in mí
orthe dute agus a ginar forma an nuat bhí me le mai hismór so sí me cuiinú I was like oh I just go broúil as bhí mai hismóirí go broúil as just is a nucht is smó é dúne mar thuair like I just think well éocht buinte maithagat as ggóil sé tiltte agat an oberchuí atá chuiriste agat san airnáil seo le Gemlíon na nús breis Gemlíon na nús tá ní seo rud a Hardy Haríthe se rud go tus a genú ó thos tú má ar radio na Gaelta de blianttí ó hen agus the grind has been put in tá seo níl dunar bí eile go sé tiltte acu a méid tá sé tiltte agat
What?
in the words if fucking Michael Jordan never in doubt hí se gúnaí go bheith bhí me sin is a reassure a bhí am grúnaí gur go á so like you me like you're all if I'm getting this gig turn fucking Hugh will amach and that didn't fucking work out for me so
I will say féire eile a bhfuair chléir ha so tá seo ar an ag an Jerry seachtaing le breakfasta agus le an tróna so Demi Isaac, Benny Bracken, Helen Gallagher agus Mikey O'Reilly shit ar fad trígin cóir sin fásta so éit amlan bunch má acu lei sin but yeah I mean le bheith chuirthe ar an rud seo is just like níl éon flaú gur féidirlumm úsáid le bhíú. Leis Jerry má bhí mas bháin chatús fá hart agus cheanaí má budgeal football special.
Bhí criú.
Bhí mai sméidir so bhí mai smíúir sinna dhéanú. But then people were like, no, to gCiarraí at all. So I think we're just gonna be long marmo like in that like Lineage Ishki Commission Majafug lom. So they do an alg fall lom Gajon in your agus yeah, so just like Neil Mon on Fakla Courage or I don't think it may so can cake more so that I could do like a couple of me she's some more there. Nor a time which go fall gender show and I'm kin I can sais stíle mé ar an seo ar Harvey like níl clúgam dit má sú leis but yeah just crazy and now I'm emosh agus níis agus I hear in fact I'm just smile all over or whatever agus came a James listen ví tú am listen agus ring is AF my like first two basically higgin and hurdle journal agus
No, fuck this. Just don't turn this on me. Who's gonna happy with it? Don't give me in the mood, Hugh, alright? You just gonna go whole happy. I'm happy with it. Don't turn this.
Chomh mit glór máú de James cúpla seach na hin ar bhui sé. Dó Hansen is glacu leis an máú lig.
The much like in sophomore. We don't have to make it fucking bigger. So
this is true. This is
First go vinné an bar a setal hóhard of a chunne féfa chuig. Caihí me siúr ag dochreidte an ná ag an cúpla seachtain just leis a matchal.
Élam sa smíidir other way, you're afraid láti
The leap year's on. Yeah, it's not a leap year.
No, my favorite. No. 2020 thrive sin an taim an taim turn im Leon seo. Bhí thing you do faoi Saturn returning in you or whole ship or real were Sean. It's not
like Rutakins faoi na star signs.
Shay.
Tá Rutakins imi agus tá Rutakins eilteach and it's supposed to be good news.
So another Killian shot is good town like shop yells fihe good killed again the the HUD star signs like reset basically.
Yeah.
Agus they're tagging Saturn a rash. And dóibh bhí ágamsa ag go ban seo go raibh basically tagging like rudí álc leis, but then fómlíonn tú an na rudí álca agus tagging rudí ap nua a maithe sin más rudí go fómlíonn tú na ceaptainnaí ceart ó an seachtarráis dá Saturn. Because you were like, oh yeah, bhí blian shite of them. I was like, oh yeah, sorry, yeah, never bhí má bhí shocked, yeah, bhí. But Níl mar Gary sin her in the realta.
It was an air to the Saturn sa Kidash, Chorus Emmy. Like
Hugh football heart. Arosha. Chorus Saturn, I'm walking in Saturn.
Splash
Splash.
It been really hard though, like a Pluto be on the north or something. Do they take turns? Could they be on?
Yes, sinna dó é brin sé, I believe scientifically.
Honnig color these was a TikTok version for stars and should as obviously took it níos economic in go bblion gúni rumsa meall is tá verla angar gun blian nu.
Yeah.
So chemis go cin tal chin fresh go mach blian dochas a gaan go the star signs of inacula tús na blian so níos amsa back or Saturn Ash go Pluto imi chemis na rida go mín Robert Kane an de gúni ach yeah níl sam.
Do you know card Mujianu Earraigh for me tarot cards blianti hain agus a cheapam sa gur cheartúne tarot reading a Yanu or laid la James. I think lots of James which are kind of civil.
Tím ceartín agrani anu lei seo.
I think you're fit. Listen, bedroom chatting jogging.
Give out a lumsa.
Because I just feel like you need some guidance.
Cailse, James.
The good to Cailse. Agus níl se Kerry. Could go hort the Jamesy bug.
Hugh just out like a turban or like an leafrod.
Oh, leafrod more.
Which is unfortunate. And just kimono more because the Professor Trelawney.
Yeah.
Agus friggin put of football special on the here it's called Alberts.
No, Kerry is just sa bail agus mar le ho New York and football special come on it's Níl se tá fómí.
Cos is a Magic 8 ball agus Magic football special buá.
Just banning tú a handan leis a football special.
Agus bí anna like really sticky in the because there's a fucking just a whole millish like.
I sé gur an immer go football special ótaigh for an dúnaáil.
Okay,
Alright,
all right,
shot.
okay, all right, okay. Prick. Listen.
It's a good day to be a sports fan.
Well, I mean, this where Aaron and Brattlebrook Sarn clí dochreidte mai. I had clí rugby bhí mó rio.
Agus fu sé picture.
Agus le
James McCarthy?
James McCarthy, yeah.
Fangirling.
Yeah.
So bhí she proper fangirling.
Morris Cart.
Listen.
Fid sin ar fad áling.
Yeah, agus intar
My God.
Well, look, James, I'm glad to dhéanú go fáil Badger.
No.
You never know.
Ní má soch. Like, it's shithouse Bill Commission. Shithouse is Mora. Is agus tá sé de lug. Oh, tá am sa bhí se ag cluthe Leinster.
Let's hear it for Leinster.
In Nora agus bhí tickets iontach maithain. Bhí ceadaon goisteach sanna afters sanna bhí stadium. Ná bhín an furan ag ichigh goals. It was a goals ar fad an, is bhín na choran ar fad an. Agus when I say go cheap ma go méaltóig bug ma buzz ar heart sin that's not even an under exaggeration. Touch it fucking huge.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, it's
but professionally huge faster like equatory at Levec words and like
yeah, true. Yeah. Yeah, so when my gating agus vi Mama Car draws osta Hall of Cardiff.
Yeah, putting the car in Cardiff for his car. Agus and Shin, but then Earn Drocher. Well, like, you know what? You know ach an chead gur chail dún an alum blianana go fáil. So, do you know, níl se a ggurprá á go fáil. Agus tá mis rá seamis, right? Hugh Carr's lock of the year, right? Fifi quick prediction. Jimmy is winning matches. Dún an al ag bunch in championship in blianana. Creide mé go chuile is go homlan. Agus the Arm James because no go captain go mé galibh I buaime. But
yeah, got to create refreshing like Captain Ruth Kane and Noro.
Okay, but like you shouldn't. No, these are them.
Agus chin needed jersey Caru Canny at falls, which was the Chanel Muchan Hugh.
Yeah, okay,
jersey.
Surely tag your player fit so good on Vlian the Takacha nach jig le couple gan ka you mahagan.
Donations. Well, Hook can do.
Yeah, ma can on. You can't even to play Canish. It's a shin good shot from You can't again to the freaking.
It's a gentic James I hate.
Yeah.
You can't again to the and you can't actually have brand new version from now on. Like nervous freaking Zach fought some Miranda, I guess.
I guess two pasta or Rosanna. No, or
Rosanna
or Leisha. Or
Rosanna, show them the
Show them the shrine.
Show them the shrine. bronze statue that James.
My husband James, he used to play the ga.
It's like, oh, it's so cute, and like he spoke this funny language as well. It was so. Sorry, no fucking.
It's adorable.
No, and fucking flight or Michigan Cardiff, right? We shall run is D4 and you're on the Rio, right? So we shall air. We shall
funny language.
We shall Aer Lingus, right? Agus we should the torture fod hatty like glass la high and clear rugby was we should welcome to Aer Lingus flight. The sport of the boys in green against their game against Wales. But the Birchaw Inaculum, kind of like Lanu ni Shinya, like a Shan lad show agus bank Elis again. Agus Hannikin and Cart she slash and Biagus and the Johnny or fog. Agus for an Birch Johnny as an Cart, but you miss see in Aculis Shinya. So like Hashi your man Shul Hulas and Kyher. Agus search your one. Oh, or why that's really a centrally. Because yeah, sure, yeah, like Lock like or whatever. So Hossie she and Lair and Ash like all like a snapal an frostily like a fucking like literally like an icky smoke or fair like the L the roast to like bhí si dí bhúnte agus because bhí sé ar son mise, so I had to then be like, you're okay, like ní gaiiti, because obviously bhí sé mar shot, and then she'd be like, agus don ládog, actually sorry. I was like, don't associate me lad, like please, ní mar Gary punch that shot, like just. But no, Crajime will do nach an all Ireland debut in Niana. And can I Ganzi Carua double or nothing.
Deal.
Double or nothing.
So the whole Hyundai Ramson I said just doing all that.
Oh, hold on. Wait a second.
That's the deal.
That was the Gary guy.
Should I root to you that you guarantee I go doing all good as a rota. So the 31 counties Amsterdam because I can't that's it. I shouldn't double or nothing.
I like those odds. Oh God. 140 down the drain straight away.
Achin hí bu maithaigh gaile hí David Clifford scóir a hat-trick in like tíróin. Agus chumála sin tá Liverpool just sitting absolutely gorgeously pretty ag bar tabla on ringe hían an príomhringe a hasanna. So tá rudí brenn go má méall tá an fear seo ag gáil anún ag game delegate season a brand in the lads agus le cúna é ben Premier League title an sin agus ben was a look at casa Dua Lipa One Kiss cos sin an fucking anthem means saying One Kiss is on it.
Huggle of Anthony's fair around you. Like I mean
that's kind of lag.
You'll never walk alone, like surely not with
no, yeah, they're the classics. Ach like no ruin to the current like we should the casa One Kiss me all we should the Champions League final agus we Dua Lipa perform at like half time. Agus that was a big song like an agus just it kind of adapted agus inis hí Calvin Harris on team bus blian freshen, so obviously he's like tá náascaí sin Andy Robertson but an burst go Scottish, so bhí sé sin a team bus agus we should literally just casa Cheoil go chréid stráideach i Liverpool hí rá chora nachún blian sin agus we should just cast like obviously Calvin Harris ag Dua Lipa is low an orange in, so tá an nasc acu sin leis an club, so yeah, it's pretty class. Obviously ag tú a cluin a bit you never walk alone on that's sean the goosebumps like sean
an aid atá arm come out to conclusion like even like could be dóia a tag Jerry leis whatever because just bit tan méidin well chance come in a méidin stair bunch leis an conclusion agus being a goni like Jerry done season like it could be season a ton whatever like because now so Kane because basically Kurt Jerry like or Mahif Hain like there be Bohemians like in Clea Jarna like a chance course is gonna be dull shees could you like and like in first division whatever to just then buzz chimple class like
especially like Belton in Liverpool go hindu being in Hampshire unbelievable so like just as it's ass in Anfield it's just cool
I was just gonna go pop world in the
go the can't up to an Irish bear the Sean McSorties about or something that's still lower car Liverpool
well ton of Keaton so
dolly can I'm sure be
no
so
Liverpool and at is fair come on le golama not in German in a karaoke bars
yes I guess a little tequila spots
Níl somebody go bin an vibe miss my hands my ahar
With the kitchen?
No, but you're couple on Connemara.
Will Ain Sean Monaghan go Shaw?
Shapeline
was in her playlist. Chin hilarious. James led the hall golly karaoke with her. Led the hall. Bitch all whole grammar. Please, Jenna.
Oh, that would be a spectacle.
Iconic.
Yeah. Bhachsa go ruach Liverpool and League dá bhach Mrs. Maher's in the karaoke is the
one kiss is all it takes
falling in love with me possibilities.
Well lads, Sheenam Gabe sin I think we're was really odd. I've no idea, I've lost all track of time. Just been making crack le play le tummel, it's seachtaine an gríthe in Tihí Soganya so and I just love you so much. Just my crazy love. Good John.
Was that niche going forward? Was that the like I bhíon was an dhéanann tú obair choiste agus bé like was that BA MA MSc. It is an just like Hugh Carr 2FM.
Oh, Badger, yeah. Badger. Well, obviously, be Shamar Farts da, and they're tamag rectal light looked around again, shockingly, and the Shamar Farts done factish. So get on that train now.
Hugh might get a cara BA MA 2FM.
Because there's much of being in our lot. Like,
Pascal, she.
RT News. Car. Well, Sinead and Agartha and the Shanty Gurmí voice with the Vailin. Seansálaithe tá a bhádís bo crack agus listen le seachla gaeilge chart suas chunigí súl amach cos bé se an gríthe óganne so chunigí súl amach ar na hóisiils ar na main hóisiilta cos we're coming to a town near you sin Belfast sin an town but Gajee sin with the Garage Lance the man hosted Tom your Shanty or Instagram Shanty or Twitter Shanty or YouTube with the guy and Amsterdam man hosted there's more anywhere Instagram anywhere Twitter because anywhere or TikTok with the guy James Amsterdam hosted there's more faighte or Instagram faighte or Twitter because faighte or TikTok is with the guy Mahane Amsterdam man hosted more Hugh Carry or Instagram Hugh Carry or Twitter agus gra Hugh Carr or TikTok agus is féidir éisiad lom gachla ar drive time like Darren idir trí agus is sé gach lún go líine a go dtí sin but you salt as and Jerry shouting it agus been rashry to agran ur na Chelsea a go dtí sin slán.